Hi, we are going to make now jangri, which may be known as imarti, I think so, in North India, but jangri as we call it is a sweet dish made out of urad dal. Urad dal is in soaked between 7 to 8 hours or say overnight, and drain off all the water, and you should grind it very smooth paste. So I have taken 1 katora, say it is around 110 to 115 grams this urad, and I have taken syrup. I have taken about between 175 and 180 grams of sugar. And I have taken some food color to add to this jangri later after I make it a fine paste. So like this it will give out some dirt. I took out about 2-3 times, and you can see that you can just take off that. So add some milk so that it will take out the impurities from the syrup. The sugar syrup is getting ready. See, you can make out from the spoon. It is slowly falling. Or you touch with your finger. Another 2 seconds I will be getting the strings. So I have put about 2-3 drops of that color which I have added to the jangri mix, to the urad dal. I have put just about 2-3 drops of that here also. So now I am going to add some cardamom powder. I am going to put off the stove since it has got nice string. So I am going to put little lime juice for not to get crystallized. So I have made a fine paste of the urad dal along with the color, and you keep mixing it nicely so that the air incorporates in it nicely and fluffs up. They put soda and some starch powder and all. I am not going to add anything. This is pure urad dal. Urad dal itself will give nice crispiness, and they say a girl when she becomes a big girl, that means when she gets matured, they give this jangri because this is urad. It will make her waist and hips tighter and stronger, because that time they lose lot of energy drained out. They say they give this during that time when they get mature. Everything has got so many medicinal values. If you really know it, you will be very benefited. So I have kept the oil in a shallow pan because this doesn't take a flat one. This has to be a flat frying pan. Put the oil like sunflower oil or safala or whatever cooking oil you like. So then if it becomes little, how it is getting heated up, then we can start making the jangris. Now you put.
Now we are loading up the paste into the ziplock. Then later we need to do a cut right here, the edge. There is one thing, make sure the sugar syrup is not cooking. As you can see, it's not cooking. It's in the same temperature. And we are just adding the jangri from the oil straight to the sugar syrup. And we are just keeping it for 5 minutes. That's it.
So the jangri is ready and it has come out very nice, very good taste. You can try it. I don't think it is very difficult to do. The word makes us to get frightened, but once you start doing, it is so easy.